Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export playlist from Spotify to Apple Music. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like it and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any time, let's learn the steps.
Officially, it's not possible, so we are going to take help of free application named SongShift. Head over to App Store, search the same app, and when it appears, download and install it on your device. On the welcome screen, you will find available services. From here, we need to connect Apple Music and Spotify to the SongShift application. First, tap on Apple Music. Now keep in mind you need to have active Apple Music subscription for this to work. Then tap Continue and allow any permissions asked during this step. In case you see this message that means Music Sync Library feature is off, then we need to turn it on first. For that, open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Scroll down and locate Music and tap on it. Here under Library section, toggle on Sync Library option. Once done, again open the SongShift app and follow the same steps like tap on Apple Music, continue, and Apple Music is linked. Now head over to Spotify, tap on it, tap open. This will open the Spotify app. Here you will find out what access you are giving to SongShift. Once ready, tap agree. Now that Apple Music and Spotify are connected, tap on the continue button and get started. To transfer playlist, tap on the plus icon on the upper right corner. Here select what you want to transfer. Like we want to transfer playlist, so we will select playlist option under Spotify. Next, you will get list of playlists available on the Spotify. Select the one that you want to transfer and confirm. With free plan, you can export one playlist. If you want to transfer more, buy the premium plan of the service. I'm okay with free plan, so tap confirm. Next, you need to select destination. For this video, Apple Music is our destination, so tap on it. Here you will get quick information about what will be transferred from Spotify to Apple Music. Tap Start Shift. Now this will start the song matching. It's gonna take few seconds depending on how much songs your playlist have. Tap here to check the matching. Now confirm the matches or ignore. You can rematch to check if there is song available or not. Unfortunately, in my case, there is no similar song, so I will ignore both the matches. At last, confirm matches. You can see that all the matched songs are transferred. Now open Apple Music, then Library, Playlist, and here you will find the playlist from Spotify that is transferred with all the songs in it. And that's it. This is how you can transfer playlist from Spotify to Apple Music. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.